Hello friends! Today we're going to make our own unicorn out of a toilet paper roll. All you need is one toilet paper roll, a pair of scissors, and whatever color crayons or markers that you would like. So we can start by taking your paper towel roll and you're just going to pinch it. And if you want, you can freehand and just cut out the shapes, or you can draw it on with a pencil or a crayon. So we're going to make just a slit here. This is going to just be a slit up the back. So we're just going to take a little tiny bit off there. And then we're going to make a loop here. And then another one here. And these will be the legs. So we're going to cut out this part, and this part. Next, we're going to do the body. And so the body can come across like this to the neck. Then we're going to come up, on more of an angle. And then we are going to draw a point like a triangle, and then come out and do the face. We are also going to do a little bit of a triangle here, but we're not going to cut it off. We're just going to make a split here. So next you can take your scissors and just cut through here just a little bit. Don't go all the way through. You just want to have it open there. Cut out this front section. And if the toilet paper roll is too thick for you to cut, you can just do one at a time. I'm cutting through both at once, but if it's too thick, you can just do one side at a time. And then I just had a little line here, so we're just going to take a little bit off here. And then go across the back and up the face. And then the points for the ears. I'm just going to go all the way across here so I can cut this chunk off. And then I can come in and cut what I need in here. This is a little bit more delicate, so I did just do one side at a time, and then I'll go back and do this side. I'm just following the same line that I did before. And now I can pop this up and just do this side. Okay, so now we've got the body. We want to push this triangle piece through. That's going to be the horn. And it bends along this section and this section. And now we have made our unicorn. You can go ahead and decorate this unicorn however you want. You can draw on a face, maybe some nostrils. I think I need it to be a little bit darker. And maybe color in some of the ears. And maybe a swirl up the horn. Whatever colors you would like. And then you have a unicorn. If you want to take it one step further, you can poke a little hole here or cut a hole, or if you want, you can just go from there to there. I'm going to take some yarn. I normally use my little end bits, but I don't have enough today. So I'm going to use two colors that I have. And you don't need very many. So you're going to hold it in your finger and just wrap it around a couple times. Cut the yarn. You have a hole and you got 2 rounded ends. You're going to take this end and snip it. Stick it through the hole and through this section that we cut here. And take an extra piece and we're just going to wrap it around and tie it. If you have a pretty ribbon, you can use a pretty ribbon as well. Whatever you have is fine. Tie a little knot in there. If you want, you can just leave it as part of the tail, or you can put a bow. And if you would like a mane, you can do a little bit for the mane as well. And just go underneath the head there. And press it together. Get another little piece of yarn. Go underneath. And tie that together. Make it a knot just to secure it, and then tie it in a bow. Or leave it as part of the mane. And now you've made yourself a little unicorn. Have fun, friends!
Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.